In this first unsettling footage, embark on a chilling expedition with a group of researchers as they venture into an abandoned property rumored to be haunted. Armed with cameras and equipment, their mission is to uncover the truth behind the ghostly tales. What they encounter within those decaying walls sends shivers down their spines, a series of chilling phenomena that defy explanation.
My name's Jeff, and the gentleman there holding the camera, that's my colleague and friend Phil. Can you make another noise for us, please?
As I was saying, if you could come and join me and perhaps talk to me about what it was like. Talk to me about what it was like. Talk to me about what it was like.
Whoa.
What?
Something's moving.
What, you saw it?
No, I heard something coming towards me. Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
What? You right? What's up? You walked into the bells, didn't you?
No.
What?
As I went to enter into the room, I heard footsteps coming towards me. Then I moved back.
Someone just moved above me as well.
And I hit the bells coming back.
You right? You right?
I thought I heard someone walking.
I did as well.
Did you?
Yeah. Down from over that way, wasn't it?
I thought it was there.
I'm losing my bearings, yeah. Noises from down there, yeah?
Banging.
Yeah. What?
Put that down, Phil. Put that down. Put it down. Grab that.
What?
I actually thought someone was walking down this hallway towards me, and that's why I jumped back, because I wasn't expecting it. I heard the banging of boots on the floor. Heavy footsteps. Hello there. Can you make a noise again? Like you did earlier, please? Someone's walking. Someone's walking in the main hall. I can hear the creaking of the floor. Someone's walking in the main hall. I can hear the creaking of the floor. Who are you? Hello? Whoa. Footsteps again, coming towards me. Hello? Whoa. Hello? Whoa.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents. In this spine-tingling footage, a man disregards warnings from the abandoned property's owner about invisible figures haunting the premises. Undeterred, he embarks on a daring exploration armed only with his mobile camera. What unfolds before him is a sequence of eerie events that defy explanation, a chilling encounter with the unseen forces rumored to roam the property.
Me han dicho no entres, pero si quieres ir a grabarla puedes grabar el vídeo, pero ten mucho cuidado, no salte de la casa rápido. Casi me voy a atrever a entrar y este es el vídeo.
A
According to the owner, he and his family had left the house abruptly late one night after enduring months of strange activity. Since then, the house has remained vacant. It was only weeks later that they contacted Santiago, asking for his help to sell their home. Despite the challenges of selling a house with such a history, Santiago decided to showcase it, hoping it might still attract a buyer, but he was unaware of the creepy events that were about to unfold. As soon as he entered the property, Santiago was hit by a strong, foul odor that permeated the entire house. He then moved to the kitchen, where he discovered a colony of ants overwhelming the sink. The owner had mentioned sudden infestations of flies and other insects, which Santiago found peculiar, especially since the house was relatively new and shouldn't have such issues. While these occurrences were strange, they paled in comparison to what happened later in the footage. Take a look.
No tenía por qué haber ningún tipo de insectos. Estamos en la cocina. Se puede ver cómo ellos vaciaron toda la cocina rápidamente para irse corriendo. Está todo abierto. No han vuelto por esta casa. Yo no sé qué decir, pero pueden ver todavía pertenencias. Es raro. Esto nunca se lo llevaron. No quiero alejarme mucho de la puerta, la verdad. Oh, esto está horrible, este lado. No sé cómo puede estar tan horrible en poco tiempo. Una de las cosas que noto es que hay un olor que está horrible, como podrido. Aquí pueden observar donde estaba el master bedroom, la habitación principal. Pueden ver que todavía hay cosas, pero pueden ver cómo rápidamente cogieron toda la ropa y se marcharon. Pueden ver ahí todas las perchas. Rápidamente sacaron toda la ropa, la cargaron en el coche y desaparecieron. Dejaron bastantes cosas detrás de ellos. Hay un olor extraño, como podrido, en este área de la casa. Este es el otro cuarto. Pueden observar. Todavía hay cosas, pertenencias. Bastante raro. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer va a ser aquí en la pared. Hay unas marcas en la casa, en varias áreas. Es como serían marcas, uñas de alguien que ha raspado, o definitivamente son algo raro que están rayadas las paredes en varias áreas. Esta es la ok. Bueno, esta es la parte de arriba. Es extraño, la verdad. Este es el otro hay ruidos en la casa, puedo decir, hay ruidos. Ahí hay unos ruidos que estoy oyendo, como unos clac, clac. Es muy extraño. Y esto es lo que es la casa. Estas personas estuvieron aquí viviendo unos 2-3 años y me llamaron, dijeron que la tuvieron que abandonar porque definitivamente algo raro estaba ocurriendo. Cuando abandonaron la casa, no la abandonaron a las 2 de la mañana. Después de que ocurrió, según ellos, cosas muy raras. Pero bueno, yo he querido venir, grabar el vídeo y ver, un poquito, de todo lo que está ocurriendo en esta casa. Yo no creo, pero bueno, esta es la casa. Es muy, muy interesante. Y mejor me voy saliendo ya de la casa. Pero otra vez, si necesitan comprar una casa, siempre miren el historial de las casas. Es muy importante, ¿ok?
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.